Stigma is the epitome of this place.
I don't know that anyone's really prepared to experience what we are.
Everything that is taboo and not what should be is here.
It's one of the craziest places ever.
What do you compare it to?
Where else can you go anywhere where there's customers on poles, getting lap dances, slinging drinks, and we got 3 people getting tattooed at the same time?
So now we're gonna try climb. Who wants to go? I'm scared. You can do a climb. We get bachelorette parties, birthday parties. We've had weddings coming in. You know, we've had the bride and groom on the pole together. We've had fathers of the bride on the poles.
We're definitely edgier than most of the places.
It has its cages and shackles and medieval time type scene.
I've noticed a lot of people when they first walk in, it's totally not what they expected.
I expected it to be a lot different before I came in. It's a different world.
Never would I thought I'd be tattooing in a place where girls get their work on a pole.
I've been around the world, I've traveled, I've been there, I've done it, and there's definitely been a lot of things that I've seen here that I've never seen anywhere else I've ever worked at.
My name's Kelly and I own Stigma Tattoo Bar with Danny, my husband. We're from Kent in England.
When we built our house, we built it from the bricks up. It's big, probably way bigger than we need.
First off, killer house. Holy crap, I like it. They got a pole in the living room. And I mean, come on, who has a waterfall with their pool in the backyard? That's ridiculous.
Louis, don't pogo in the house.
We have 3 awesome boys.
Reese, our eldest, is 15. Then we've got Lewis, he's 13. He's the crazy one for sure. He's probably more like me.
He'll do almost anything for $1.
And then we got our little guy, Tyler.
He's our little angel. When he was 2 days old, the doctors did their regular checks and everything was not right. They thought that he had a problem and we didn't really know what it was. Most children with that don't live beyond their first birthday if we're lucky. 4 years later, we wouldn't change him for the world. Everything he is perfect to us.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
You want to have some fun, you go out with that guy. Because you know what, we're always getting up in trouble and we'll probably be running in some back alley somewhere getting away from the trouble that we got into.
Oh, that's disgusting! What is it?
We fight, we argue, we annoy each other, but it's all in good spirits.
Spoiled bitch.
Most of the time, I would say.
Ready, go!
This isn't fucking funny either.
I didn't do it, who did?
I'm glad I get to clean this up tomorrow.
My name is David Barrero.
Dave gets his little moods where some things are just a little too sensitive.
Fuck you guys, take this somewhere else. Fuck you, take this somewhere else. Take this somewhere else. Look at this fucking mess up in here tomorrow. You guys are not gonna help me. I know you're not, so fuck off.
I willingly just go out of my way to sometimes just piss him off.
Read the Word of God, sinner! Read the Word of God, sinner!
Downtown Orlando, oh God, get me started here.
Orlando's like a mini London.
Downtown is its own little society.
You don't feel like you're surrounded by strangers, you actually feel like you can walk by a bunch of people you know every night almost.
Like it's a good place. There's a lot going on, there's a lot of things to do, there's a lot of good people.
Can't even describe it, man.
All the homeless people that are crazy, like all the drunk people walking around doing crazy things.
I've seen bums beat each other up with bicycles. I've seen police pepper spray homeless people for no reason. I've seen cat fights inside Pita Pit. I've seen one of our own employees get choked out by another employee on accident.
80% of the craziness that goes on in Orlando happens right here, and we're right in the middle of that.